rear seat entertainment, Alcantara, red stitches. Red stitches here and here. Gorgeous with red stitching here. Carbon roof. So I would choose the blue one instead of the frozen edition. Regular classic blue with white interior. Gorgeous. And M5 engine. Wow, this looks crazy with heat. Voice and heat shields. €117,000. Marina blue, bay blue metallic. This was a great option. Really love the blue color. So we have €7,500 for full leather. Entertainment package, €3,900. 2,100 for the rims. £750 Nm. Okay. And individual reading lights in the rear. That's interesting. I must have a look at them. Individual reading lights are these. Okay, now we know that. Okay, now I'm gonna have a... filmar du då? Den är på räck. Håller du? Okay, so let me know what you want to know about the new M5. We have the Marina Bay Blue, and we have the frozen cashmere, I believe, frozen red on the left, the limited edition. Let me know what you want to see more of the M5, and I'll cover it for you, everything in detail. And any other car for that matter. I'll be here today and tomorrow.